Hey, this is Nate. Just wanted to put this quick video together for you and give you some tips and tricks on your website. The overall layout of your site looks great. You do have some content in here. I did not go through and count it all, but with Google, content is king. That is one thing most of the sites that I look at are lacking. We recommend about 1,500 words on this homepage and about 500 to 750 words on those back service pages. So you may be pretty close to that on here. And like I said, you've got some great before and after pictures. You do have some content in here. The layout's nice. Overall the site looks good. I do have an SEO tracker. For some reason, GoDaddy is locking me out. I'm going to hit it again and see if it lets me see any of the stuff that I'm trying to look at for you. Doesn't look like it's going to show me what I'm looking for. But your title tag and your H1 tag are both super important for Google. They want to know where you are and what you do. Looking at some of the keywords that I found in your area, it looks like a lot of people use pressure cleaning rather than pressure washing. So if that's the case, generally this H1 tag is the only one that shows up on the site, and it is right here. I'm not saying for sure that's your H1 tag because I don't know. It can be other places, but most of the time it's right here. So I would change that. If the roof is what you really want to specialize in, I would do like Palm Beach roof cleaning or something like, something super simple. Tell Google where you are and what you do. Generally for a pressure washing company, I would say, Palm Beach FL pressure washing as your H1. But, like I said, I'm seeing a lot of pressure cleaning keywords, and I'll show you those here in a minute. But also, the little tabs across the top, I know you can't see it right now. Well, now that I got that drop down, you may be able to catch it. But that right there is your title tag. I would put, I would put Palm Beach pressure washing and then a dash and your company name. You've got up to 70 characters. So you may be able to do Palm Beach pressure washing, dash roof cleaning, dash company name. But I would change that out on your title tag and kind of get that flipped around. Looking at some of the competition. These blue lines right here, this is everybody's title tag. And then right below that is their meta description. So if you look at most of these title tags that are showing up in the top 10, Palm Beach pressure cleaning, power washing, and roof cleaning I'm assuming this says Palm Beach here, but they went a little bit long. Pressure washing, Palm Beach, pressure washers, Palm Beach. They all say something about pressure washing and Palm Beach, or at least most of them do. So that kind of shows you the importance of getting that title tag right. So like I said, I would do Palm Beach pressure washing, dash roof cleaning, dash company name if you've got room. If you don't have room for that within the 70 characters, then take the roof cleaning part out. And then, with one of your service pages, you can make the title tag on that page about roof cleaning so that, if people are looking for roof cleaning, they may take them directly to that page. I did pull you up on one of the other tools that we have. You are showing up for some keywords and stuff like this, Palm Beach pressure cleaning. I call these generic keywords. It says what you do and where you do it. Pressure cleaning, Royal Palm Beach. So you've got a lot of the right type of keywords in here. They all talk about what you do and where you do it. And those are really good keywords to have. You're ranking most of these, second, third page, fourth page down through here. You do have a couple that are showing up on the first page. So you've got a good start. Change out those few things, may give you a little bump. We do basically website design and SEO. Yours realistically, built on GoDaddy, if I were to redo it, I would probably build it out on WordPress and just try to make it look the same. But there is no reason we couldn't go in and do some SEO on a GoDaddy site and get it up there and rank it better. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I will talk to you later. Thank you.